Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. This is your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, so today I just want to give you a weekly overview of US30 and NASDAQ. And yeah, I just want to show you how you can trade this thing going to this week. I mean, this coming week is for the week of the 5th up until the 9th of September 2022. So yeah, let's get into it. Before I get into it, guys, let me show you something. I was trading Nasdaq. I killed Nasdaq on the NFP basically last week on Friday on the second. So I tried to make a withdrawal. Vault. This is trade 245 basically. So as you can see, they sent me this email one day ago. So letting me know that I use different bank accounts and stuff like that. So, yeah, I've replied with what they're looking for, and let's hope I'll be able to withdraw this money. I even took it out from this bank account, the trading account, so that I don't get scammed or something like that. This was the new account. I just opened this account. If I can show you my emails here, I opened this account basically on the when was this? It's 27 August. Yeah. As you can see, it's a trading account approved. So I opened this account to trade trade 245 or to trade NFP. So I opened it basically just to do that. Hopefully they will pay me, and then I'll give you feedback once they let me know. So 33K is a lot of money, guys. If they're trying to scam me, but hopefully they'll pay. So yeah, a lot of guys are using this broker, so I got no hard feelings for it. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. This is straight 245 chat as well, so let's analyze it on top of their broker, guys. Yeah, the first thing that we're gonna do is to specify. I think I just opened this thing basically on just to see a daily view. So there's a lot of data on the previous day. So, but I like to see the short term basically because this thing needs you to know your entry point and exit point. So yeah, let's start by sorry sorry guys. So let's start by identifying our lowest point and the highest point of the market. This is US30. I'm on a daily time frame at the moment, so I'm identifying all the highest point and the lowest points. So this is it. Let's put this one as well as our lowest point. I'm just gonna put this one as well. This is an important level. I see another important level between this. So let's put it here and put it here as well. So I think, yeah, that is important because we saw a bounce here on a previous week. I think this is the bounce that happened on Nasdaq. I was able to make more than 30K with this one candle, guys. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's get the last one here, which is this big one. It's too far. I mean, let's just leave it like that. I'll move into H4. So on our H4, what I'm seeing here, guys, is basically there was a rising wedge that broke out. So our rising wedge broke out here. Let me just write this thing here like this. So we saw a broke out, and this is a good pattern, guys. So we saw a broke out. So have we reached our target yet? No. So let me just also put this here. This is another important level because remember, if we have a wedge, um, the TP of that wedge is the start of the wedge. So our wedge starts from here and ends there. So it means if we broke out, our TP needs to come somewhere here. So I'm just going to highlight this level uh, just to let myself know that our main point of USDT has to come to this level. So this is the level that we need to look at coming to this week, guys. So I'm just gonna leave this analysis for you guys just to see. So this is how it is at the moment. So on a shorter time frame, let's see what was happening. I wanted to put another line on top here, but yeah, you can see it's already the market has already moved, so I can't just put another line here. It's fine. Let's analyze the opportunities that we're gonna be taking from tomorrow going forward. So I see this is a 4 hour time frame. So basically on that zone, we saw a double bottom here with this small zone here. I'm just going to put it like this. This was a double bottom. We saw a pin coming in here, but we know that our target is basically coming here because our our rising wedge was broken out, and then we're still seeing the momentum. But yeah, let's see opportunities on where we're going to enter and exit. So I see again there's a trend here. So let's use this as a trend. So we're seeing double, we're seeing this trend. I'm just going to draw this trend. So this trend basically looks like a very nice open cone, if you know what I'm talking about, guys. So this is looking like a very nice open cone. I'm just going to put it like this. Yeah. So basically, this is a 4 hour chat. I've already specified this. I'm seeing, I saw a rejection on our zone here, which is this. So let me just see if we go to H1, how we can see that zone. So this is the zone that I'm talking about, guys. I think this is very, very important, guys, because we are on our newly forming falling wedge, which is like an opening cone, and we only touched it 2 times. So our wedge will start from here, and then we touched it for the second time. The third time as well, it's a 90% rule where we're gonna need to continue with the sales, guys. So this is basically where I'm seeing the market turning. So let me just increase this so that we know where we're going to attack this market. So here, so I think this looks like a very, very important level at the moment. So on our 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing a buy at the moment. We're gonna see a buy up until this. So we've got a demand and supply zone from this level to this level. So it's a lot of pips. If you wanna see what the market is gonna be doing when it opens, we can start buying from this level, guys, because already we are seeing a very this is not a powerful support if I'm looking at it from here. So you can see it's not that powerful. So we're looking at this zone here, which is very powerful. You see this zone, there was a lot of momentum and price rejection below this price here. So that's why I say, I mean, I'm going to wait for it to come and reach this, which is giving me two rules basically for me to sell from this point. So the 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 sell from this point basically says it's saying, okay, let me explain it to you so that you can understand. So the sell from this point is that we are on a zone, and the zone here has already touched one, two. The third time is a charm. So basically, that's how it's gonna work. So this is the zones that we're looking for, and as well, another confirmation that this thing is going to be a sell is that we are seeing a falling wedge, and on the falling wedge, we already touched it one, two. So the third time as well is a what? Is a 90% rule, which is going to be very nice because I can just put it like this, guys. I don't know how the market is going to be moving, whether it will go this to the upside very fast or very slow. We'll see when the market comes. But as you can see, this is the analysis that I'm seeing at the moment. We're going to be seeing, I'm going to be personally taking my sales on this level, and I'll see where I'm going to exit. So I'll get scared, I know, from somewhere here. I'm just going to see what's going to be happening, guys, from here. So once I see a breakout from this level, if I entered my sales here, I see a breakout to the downside, I'm gonna hold it until this zone here, because as well we touch this one, two, three. The fourth time here, if we come back and touch it nicely, is going to be a massive buying opportunity from this zone. So this is a weekly view for US30, guys. So I think this is how we're going to see. Let me just do it like this just to make you sure make you understand where we are going to buy and where we are going to sell. So buy, we're going to be buying from here. Let's put it here as well. So this is our buying zone. And then, no, look at me, guys. Sorry. Don't buy from here because the market will wreck you up. This is our selling zone, guys. Let me just delete this and add it nicely. Don't do that. Don't buy from there, guys, because it will kill you. Sell, let me put sell, sell. Sell here. Yeah, sell from this zone, and then buy from that zone. And guys, don't worry, guys, if the market doesn't get there or before. Just wait for it to get to that level before you execute any trade because you can chase it, it will blow your account, and then when it gets there, you'll just ask yourself, I should have waited, I should have waited. I know, guys, I've been there before, and these things happen. Sometimes I'll be like, let me just go with it up here because I know it's gonna buy here. But here is a very, very good trade. You can just come in and buy. So there's another buy here. I'm just going to do it like this. But here I won't say bye bye because it's just the confirmation is not that too much. I like to have more confirmation because they are good. So here I'll just say it's a good buy, not buy buy buy. So, but it's a good buy. You can just buy and then go with it here. And then from here where you say sell, 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 you know that you have to go in hard, full margin from here. And then where you see buy buy, you go full margin on the buy buy zone. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section and what do you think about the analysis and how we're going to attack this market. Let's see when you go to H. 30 minutes as well. We're still seeing the same thing, guys. We're still seeing the same bounce, and then we're expecting another bounce on this zone. So this is the zone we're expecting a bounce because it's going to be a one, two, three, the third touch. Whether even if it breaks out and then comes back, because the market will come and start to play around here with the buy, and then break out from this level, and then they will come and then you will think it's a breakout of the falling wedge here. So you can see, guys, they will be manipulating a lot of people here, thinking, okay, this is a breakout. We're gonna be buying up until there. Even if it's a breakout, we might see a retest on this zone because our wedge starts from this zone here. So, but I'm going to be putting myself from this zone. So because this one is not that powerful, we see there's a line here that I put on our HD1. So let me just quickly look where it's coming from. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, so this is where it's coming from, this one. So it's not that powerful as well. We saw a very crazy rejection from here. So, but yeah, this is what I'm seeing, guys, coming on this week on this market. Let me know what you think. 15 minutes time frame. Yes, guys, this is a very nice buy, guys. So buy from here, let the market come here. If you get stopped out from here, wait for it to come and test this zone or that zone, and then you can sell and come back down with it. Hold the trade up until here if you have more liquidity and leverage on your account. So yeah, this is basically what I'm seeing. And yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in on the Forex Family Empire. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and destroy that like button and share with your friend, guys. I'll see you on another video. Peace.